it's Bridget A. from Drunk Dog Creative. It's near the end of the day and I'm looking a little worse for wear from having been doing a whole bunch of stuff. But I wanted to share some things with you today and I couldn't wait any longer. So I want to show you that the annual catalog has arrived. I'm not allowed to show you the inside till after May 1st, but the catalog is here. If you would like a copy of it, send me an email or go through the drunkdogcreative.com website and request a copy of it if you're in Australia, and I'll get that sent to you. But I had to show off the new colors and a couple of the new products that I got on pre-order. Now, if you don't want to wait till May 1st, or if you want an ongoing 20% discount on all your supplies, go to drunkdogcreative.com and have a look at Join My Team and find out how you can become a demonstrator for Stampin' Up! To get the discount and the ongoing discount and early access. I did this as what we kind of call a hobby demonstrator. I had no intention of making it a business. I still don't. This really is just my hobby. I picked up a couple of customers along the way, but I really did it for myself for the ongoing benefits, and that's fine. Anyways, information's on drunkdogcreative.com under Papercraft. But I wanted to show you some of the new colors and some of the things I've made with the colors. So let me turn the camera around and I'll be right back to you. All right, so here I am at my workspace and I've shown you the new catalog, so I'm going to put that away. These are some cards I've made just playing with a couple of things, and I'll show you them in a minute. One thing is this Dots 3D embossing folder. It is quite large. It's 5x7, so it's really good for larger projects and easy to use. Now, I've used other brands' 3D embossing folders, and you need to kind of wet the paper and run it through your machine 3 times to get the depth. But with this one, you don't have to do any of that. You just put it in and run it through your machine once, and you have this beautiful depth that I've used for a couple of the backgrounds. The other thing I've used is the new Meandering Meadows Designer Series paper, which goes with a whole bunch of colors. It goes with Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Blueberry Bushel, Cherry Cobbler, Crushed Curry, Fresh Frieza, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, Melon Mambo, Night of Navy, Orchid Oasis, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, Pumpkin Pie, and Shaded Spruce. So this Designer Series paper, there's just 3 of the images. It's double-sided. I think there's 40 6x6" sheets. It's amazing. And the other thing, of course, is the normal Designer Series paper that has now come out in the new colors. So let's talk about the colors. The 2024 to 2026 InColours at Stampin' Up. Everything, they come in everything. So ink pads, markers, blends, ribbons, embellishments, cardstock, are all in these 5 colors, and I'm going to go through them with you. This is Pretty in Pink. It's a really nice pink that is different to the other pinks. This is that Meandering Meadows DSP. There is on drunkdogcreative.com a blog about how to do this effect. Have a look through some of my blog posts for that. But I just used some die cuts to make a very simple card. But this is the Pretty in Pink with Meandering Meadows. Then I've also got the Petunia Pop, again with the Meandering Meadows. This is a little flower I made with the Petal Builder Punch. And on YouTube or on the blog, there will be a video about how to do that. And I used one of the new stamp sets, which I'm really excited to show off, called Unbounded Love. It's got all these amazing sentiments that you can use for so many things. And it coordinates with the Unbounded Love die set, which I've put on magnets. And so most of these frames fit around the sentiments. You can see I've been playing with a couple there that I've cut. This is also from that InColor DSP and a bit of white. So I've done some sentiments using this set, which will be available May 1st, the new catalog. You can order through you can go through drunkdogcreative.com to the store, or you can do bridgeta.stampinup.net to get to my store. Anyways, this is Petunia Pop. I love this color. I just think it's beautiful. That's some of the little embellishment gems that match these colors. This is the paper, and it's edged with the ink to make the flower. The next one is Shy Shamrock, which is a really pretty bright green. And you can see that's one of the frames from here. So that's this one. It actually cuts it out, and then I cut it again in white and just popped that piece out and inlaid it, which is a really neat effect. So that's that color. This is Peach Pie. Who doesn't love peach pie? Well, most Australians don't understand the American fascination with fruit pie, but since I was born and raised in America, I do, and I love peach pie. But the color is also beautiful. And again, the meandering meadows. This is really simple. I just cut 2 rectangles with a stitched die out of a part of that 6x6 DSP, and I put a ribbon at an angle down the middle with a bow on it. And again, this background is embossed with this embossing folder. So that's an idea with Peach Pie. And then this is Summer Splash, which is kind of like a blue-green turquoise. It's a really cool color. And again, I just used some of the DSP with some matte behind it. This is a very simple card. I stamped with the ink and cut that sentiment using those 2 and put them together. So Summer Splash, Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, Petunia Pop, and Pretty in Pink. So there's a sneak preview of some of the products that are going to be coming in May. You can see also some of these. There are lots of other brand new products. I'm really excited. I could only pre-order some of them because everybody's on a budget, including me. But I think you're really going to like the new catalog. So send me a message if you want it, if you're in Australia. If you're not in Australia, find your nearest Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and have a go at making some cards in these beautiful new colors.